Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be all about me reorganizing my laundry room area. As you could see, it's very unorganized and messy. I basically just throw things there because I'm busy working and I don't have time to put stuff away neatly. So I basically just throw it up there and hope for the best. But I'm gonna make some time to basically reorganize this a little bit. So I wanted to share a few organizational tips with you guys. Please don't pay attention to this. This has fell off the wall like a million times, and I finally went ahead and screw it in there after it's all dinged up. I probably get another one from Amazon. Yeah, that's where I keep all my grocery store plastic bags. I know it looks pretty bad, but it does the job. But anyways, here's the before, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what I'm gonna use to reorganize. I need to get a plate cover for that. And where am I gonna store my mops and things like that. So I'll be back. So guys, I decided to use baskets for this area to save some space because it's so small, and that will help me organize the shelves a little bit better for this area, as well as declutter. I wanted to share this lantern with you guys. It's a LED camping lantern, but this is perfect for, you know, like emergency situations like a hurricane, a storm. It is, I would say, maybe about 6 inches tall. It's not really that big, but it's compact and it's perfect to carry with you in any emergency situations, as well as a great substitute for candles, because you know candles are dangerous and you don't want to have you know, fire in your home during an emergency situation. So I think this is a great substitute to have. It's pretty simple to use. Let me open it. Let me open it a little bit and show you how to use it. This is basically how you open it. You pull these two together and voila. See, this is perfect substitute for candles. You don't have to worry about, you know, any fire in your home, and you could take it anywhere. It's portable. It's great for storms, hurricane, anytime you need a little light in your life. Basically close it and then you lock it. Isn't that awesome? Awesome! So guys, this is where I store all my mops and brooms. It's not much, but this is where everything is stored, on the opposite side of the laundry room. If you see that little patch, I just placed compound on there. There was, you know, nasty little holes there, but all I need to do is sand it and repaint it, and it's brand new. So let me show you the other side of the room. Okay guys, this is the final look of my laundry area. I decided to use these baskets I got from Marshall's to kind of declutter and organize. As you can see, I decided to put all my laundry detergent and things that I use more often on the lower shelf because I'm short. I'm not going to reach all the way to the top. And I place all the little small items in this basket. All my little organizational little things, my little decor, my tea lights, my napkins. There's a little bit more things at the bottom. And then on this basket, I put my toilet paper. And those are my paper towels. And there go the LED lanterns. And pretty much that is it. And don't pay attention to that. That thing fell off this wall about a million times and it's been banged up. But I might purchase a new one on Amazon. I believe that's where I got it. But it does what it needs to do, which is store my plastic bags. So I hope you guys like. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. And let me know if you were able to get any tips. This was quite fun. I really enjoyed organizing this area. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video.